Hello everybody. How you guys doing today? So today we're gonna do different projects. Okay, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a multi-line and different line. Okay, and to build these new projects. So without further ado, let's go to Mastercam 9 and do it now. Let's go to main menu and click on create, and then go ahead and click on F9 and click on rectangle here. And we're gonna use 1 point. This time we're gonna use 50 by 50. Then we're gonna click OK here. Then we're gonna click on origin. Make sure that screen is in the middle. Go ahead and click escape off F1 and minimize, click on F2. Let's go to back to main menu and we're gonna make a circle here, okay? But before we make a circle, we're gonna make a line, okay? We're gonna use a different line here. Go ahead and click on create, and then we're gonna click on line. Now this time we're gonna use a parallel line, okay? Let's go to side and distance. So I'm gonna click all 5 inches, all 4 corners, okay? I'm gonna click from here. I'm gonna enter 5 inches and click OK. Then I'm gonna click on the top here to the bottom and click OK, 5 inches. And then I'm gonna click on the side here and to the left and click enter. And from this bottom here to the top and click enter. And now we're gonna go back to main menu, and then we're gonna trim. We're gonna modify this line right here by trimming. We'll use one entity. Okay. Let's go to main menu and modify, and use trim and use one entity. We're gonna trim this line here and this line here. Okay. Now this one here. Okay. All right. So we got our line straightened up. Now we're gonna put a circle here, like I said. So we're gonna put 30 inches diameter. Okay. Let's go to back to main menu and click on create, and click on all right here. It says circle point diameter. Go ahead and click on it and go ahead and enter 30 inch. Click enter. And we're gonna put it in the middle. So go ahead and click origin and click escape. Okay. Now we're gonna use a line again. We're gonna click on this line right here. Okay, go back to main menu. And we're gonna click on create. And then we're gonna click on line. Then we're gonna use the draft line, okay? We're gonna go ahead and click on draft line. Then click on create, line, and we're gonna click on drafting right there, okay? Drafting. Then we're gonna come over here to the top right here and put witness line. And we're gonna use origin, so we're gonna put in the middle here. So this line gonna come out here to the endpoint in the section right here, and go back, do the same thing as 4 corner. Okay. All right. So we got 4 lines, each intersect 4 corner. Now we're gonna make another line here by using 10 inches, okay? So we're gonna split this up. So this thing is right now is 40, okay? We're gonna split it up. Go and click on create, and then we're gonna click on line. Then we're gonna use parallel line again. We're gonna use side and distance. We're gonna click from right here to the right. Okay, we're gonna put 10 inches and click enter. Then we're gonna click from the left right here, from the right to the left. Okay, click enter. Okay, and go ahead and make menu. We're gonna go back to create again and gonna use drafting line. We're gonna use witness line again. And we're gonna use from origin. Okay, we're gonna click from here to this endpoint right here. Okay, click on it. Go back to origin again. We're gonna click to this line endpoint right here. Okay, go back to origin again. We're gonna click on this line right here. Go back to the same thing to this line right here to the endpoint. Okay, and then you got that. Click escape. Now this top right here, top of the line right, go ahead and click delete line right here. Okay, we're gonna click on delete this line. And on this line right here, go ahead and check on keep drafting entity, delete associate, okay, and click OK. Okay, we do the same thing as this one right here, and click OK. Okay, now we're gonna make a line again by this corner, connect this line right here, okay? So before we do that, I'm gonna go back to main menu, gonna go create and line and parallel line and side distance. And this time we go to from the bottom to the top and top to bottom, okay? Go ahead and click from the bottom to the top and into 10 inches, so I put it on here and from right here, okay, 10 inches, okay? Now we're gonna connect this line again. We're gonna click on create and drafting and use witness line using origin, okay? I'm gonna come back this line right here to the endpoint and click on it. Go back to origin again from the endpoint to the endpoint right here, okay? Go back to origin again and we'll connect this line right here, okay? This endpoint right here. Then go back one more and then we'll connect this line right here, this endpoint right here. And click escape. Now we're gonna delete the line, okay? We're gonna delete this line like we deleted before. One here, click OK. Two here and click OK. Then we're gonna delete this line here, the middle line right here, and this line here. Okay, look like we have all projects done here. So now we're going to break the line, okay? Go ahead and go to main menu. We're gonna go to modify and we're gonna break the line. We're gonna break 8 line here. So we're gonna break one here. Okay, so we're going to click on draft line. We're going to break 8 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go ahead and click done and go to back to main menu. Okay, now we're going to go to toolpath and then we're going to do the pocket here. Okay, let's go to toolpath and we're going to click on right here, the inside right here. Okay, go ahead and click on pocket. And we're going to click on change here. Okay, we're going to click on pocket here and change it. Okay. Okay, we got it run right here. Then we're gonna run out here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Okay, and right here. Okay. Now let's do that. Then we're gonna click right here. One here, two here. We're gonna click N and then reverse. Then we're gonna go right here, inside here, and inside here. And click in here and reverse. And click right here, inside here. And click in here and reverse. We're gonna click right here and run right here, the last one, and click in here and reverse and click done. Okay. Now we got to our tool library. So I right click, get tool library. Go and scroll down to tool number 235, which is a 1/4 inch flat end mill. You're gonna use a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Okay. 235 right here, 1/4 inch flat end mill. Go and click OK. And we have tool number 1, 1/4 inch flat right here. Okay, we have feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. So go ahead and put 8.0. Okay. Retractor rate, gonna put 8.0. And then on the spindle speed, we're gonna put 2000. Okay. And then in this comment right here, we're gonna put rough pocket. Okay. Now we're gonna turn all the on the coolant. Okay. Now let's go to on the top right here, pocket parameter. We're gonna check on clearing. Then the top of the stock, we're gonna put 0.75. We're using running 3/4 inch material. And depth of the stock right here, we're gonna cut it -0.5. Okay. And the tip comb right here, we're gonna use center. And right here, we'll cut it around corner. We're gonna use none, okay? And on this standard right here, we're gonna click on open, because we got an open change. So go ahead and click right here, rough finish part parameter. Now we're gonna click, we're gonna use the spiral inside or outside. We're gonna use the true spiral and make a check mark right here, inside the spiral. And the cutter comb, we're gonna use square, okay? And click OK here. That's how it looks right here. Now we're going to go to pocket again, and we're going to click on change, and we're going to run the circle right here. We'll go ahead and click right here, inside the circle here, and go and click done. And come back to tool library and get the tool from library. This time we're going to use a 1/8 flat end mill, okay? Now scroll down until you find that 1/8 right here, 232, 1/8 flat end mill. Go ahead and click that and make a check mark, okay. Tool number 2 right here is a 1/8 flat end mill, 0.125. Feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. We're not going to change anything on that one, but we do want to change the spindle speed to 4,000. Because it is a 1/8 inch flat end mill. It's kind of small, so you don't want to run too fast on that. Okay, we're going to put right here. We're going to put second pocket. Okay, then we're going to check mark over here, pocket ring parameter, and make sure you put the -0.5. That's how we want it. And rough and finish, we use the same one. Okay, so you click OK here. That's how it looks. Okay, now we're gonna come back to contour right here, and we're gonna cut this out. Okay, we're gonna cut this out. So put a tool right here, cut all the way out, and then click done. Come back to tool library and right click on it. And this time we're gonna go get tool 239, which is a half-inch flat end mill. Okay, scroll down to 239, which is right here, a half-inch flat end mill. Click OK. It says right here tool number 3, a half-inch flat end mill. And the feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate, you're gonna change that to 9.0. So if you have a big tool, so we okay to run a little bit fast. Okay. And the spindle speed, we go ahead and put 2,000. Okay, and this comment right here, we're gonna put finish path. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna click over here, contour. We're gonna put -0.75. Okay. We're gonna run all the way through. We're gonna click OK. Then we're gonna go to operation and select all, verify, and go ahead and click start button. Okay. That's how it look, guys. It should be okay. Be open like that. Kind of label it out. That's how it look. I hope you guys like this video, and let's go one more time. We're gonna do the job setup. See how it look from the bottom to the top. We're gonna put 50 inch right here. Okay, gonna put 50 inch here and a 10 inch here. Making a display box and make a check mark right here. So I include symmetric. Okay, and gonna go fit screen and here and right here isometric. Go ahead and click on that. That's how it look right there, guys. Okay. Now you want to zoom a little bit more. You click on dynamic spin. Click on here. You spin a little bit right here. You can see it. Okay. Click on that and unzoom a little bit so you can see it perfectly right here. Okay, that's all I have for today, guys. This video, and I hope you guys like this video. And you have any comment, please put it below, and I will get back to that. And please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video for people that need to know or for people that need to learn about Mastercam. Okay. And other than that, that's all I have, guys. And you guys have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.